In this video, I'm going to show you a workflow using MidJourney and Sora to bring AI-generated images to life. These tools are useful for quick ideas and concepts, especially if you're a solopreneur who can't invest in an agency. If you're running a multi-million-dollar brand, it won't match the quality of professional branding. That's why we stay ahead of these trends to deliver smarter, faster, and more affordable solutions for our clients. After watching this video, you'll learn a super unique way that we use these tools to create product mockups for our clients, as well as the fundamentals and struggles of turning images into videos. I think everyone should know what MidJourney is by now, but essentially it's an AI-powered image generator that transforms text prompts into stunning visuals. Sora AI, on the other hand, is a bit new, as it's OpenAI's text-to-video model that turns written prompts into high-quality AI-generated animations. Sora generates motion, lighting, and physics from scratch, offering a new way to produce content. And now the challenge is, can Sora animate MidJourney art accurately? I went on MidJourney and found a couple images that I could potentially use as video ads because I wanted to turn a still image into a live video ad. A feature that's on Sora is, instead of doing text to video, you can also do image to video. So bringing an image essentially to life. There's a ton of options to do by changing the aspect ratio, changing the quality of the video, as well as the duration and how many versions you want to be outputted. Sora AI can automatically detect the image that you're feeding it and give you a prompt based on what it's detecting using AI technology. What I find out by using this is that Sora AI isn't the best when it comes to an image of a still product, like this bottle for example, because as you can see here, there's nothing dynamically moving in the background. It just gave me a quick clip of a transition of the bottle for some reason, but it wasn't the best. And when it came to this sunglasses image here, I wanted it to orbit around the sunglasses, but as you can see here, it just gave me a super slow zoom out. And don't even get me started on this plane video. There's literally close to no movement at all. But another AI video generator that is better for image to video generation is Runway Gen 3. As you can see here, for the glasses example, there's a lot more dynamic motion. Even though it still didn't orbit around, it just overall moved a lot better than what Sora was able to provide me. I'll cover Runway Gen 3 in another video because as you can see here, the way that you prompt Runway Gen 3 image to video is a lot different and a lot more specific compared to what you can do with Sora. It'll actually take into account camera motion, camera style, and other things that you can just pretty much manipulate within your prompt. But let me show you what Sora AI can actually do. If there's something that's cartoonish or an image that looks like there's a lot of things going on in the background, then Sora AI will actually shine and do something. But Sora AI does have its own style. As you can see here, this cartoon image turned into Sora AI's distinct style. That's the inconsistency that comes with Sora AI. But if you want to keep your image and video more accurate, you can actually do this method right here using their Storyboard feature, giving a starting frame and an end frame to your video. What I did here is I used MidJourney to generate an image of a crow on a dead branch. And using the editor, I took out the crow from the branch and left just the branch in the image by itself. Using the Storyboard feature on Sora, you're able to put multiple images at a time, and that's where this trick comes in handy. I used just the branch as the starting frame and then used the image of the bird on the branch as the end frame, and actually showing the AI how I want it to start and how I want it to finish. And just like that, the video looks a lot more realistic, a lot more natural compared to the other image to video examples that I provided. Now let me show you how we turned this AI generated image of a can on a surfboard into a custom mock-up product video for one of our clients. So we used MidJourney to get an image of a can on a surfboard in the middle of the ocean. And since there's a lot of things going on, this can be really well with Sora AI. Like I said before, as long as there's things moving around in the background already, or it looks like there's a lot of stuff going on, then Sora AI will be able to do its thing. So we brought it into Photoshop and replaced the can in the AI image with an actual photo of the brand's product instead. We adjusted the shadows and the lighting of the product to make it blend in with the environment and the scene that it's in to make it look as realistic as possible. After dropping that picture into Sora, it was able to generate a video that looked exactly as intended. So these types of videos can be used for brands' commercials, ads, on their websites, pretty much anywhere that allows for video media, and it looks just as good as an actual video shoot of your product. And you saved so much money by just using Sora and MidJourney and didn't even have to leave your home to do all this stuff. So that's how you can turn images to videos using MidJourney and Sora. But if you want to learn more ways to generate money using AI, I recommend checking out this video here where I show you how to build and sell amazing looking 3D websites for thousands of dollars without even knowing how to write a single line of code. Thank you for watching.